Okay, 16.09. Sorry, gotta wet my whiffle. So we've done everything in 16. Now we've just got some practice exercises to put it all together. And again, it feels kind of weird because we're practicing things we've already practiced in previous chapters. One of the activities they recommend is what they call more silly putty. And the idea is that like I sculpt something out of my imagination and toss it and show how I use it. And then I toss it to someone and that person then whooshes it down, makes some other object, does a DCL to describe it, shows how they use it, an ICL, and then tosses it to someone else and they do it. It's like going to kindergarten camp again. So I don't really like doing that. So we're not going to do that. They think now is a good time to go through and practice frequency. So there's a little bit of review vocab. Every hour, every day, often, every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every Thursday, every Friday, and every Saturday. Right. Every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. So we've talked about this as temporal aspect. That sense of you can do something once, you can do something, it repeats, or you can do something regularly every week, once a week, 1 week, for a whole week. Every week it happens, once a week, or it's just every week it keeps on going. Once in a while, we've done sometimes. If you do multiple fingers, it's like rarely, because it's like once every 5 circles is what this ultimately comes out to. So sometimes, once in a while, or really rarely does it happen. Once it since is basically how it would translate. Once in a long time. Every 2 months, every 3 months, every 6 months, once a year, or every year. And then there's never. So then it's practicing this. The idea is that we go around and survey, ask a question. How often do you go visit your grandmother? The pluses mean repeat, right? So it's do you regularly, often? And there's survey forms. There's also, they recommend a game to get people to try to do things as quick as possible, having teams race. There are so many more fun games that we can do when we're in the classroom. Sorry, it hurts. I hate this online stuff. But anyway, we're doing the best we can. All right, so that was 16.09. Everything from now on is just review. So I'm going to close this one and jump to 16.10, which has got a few more different kinds of things